When we talk about the GRE test, we usually mean general GRE test, administered for many applicants across many different aspirations. But did you know there are more different types of GRE exams? For example, there are specialized GRE exams called GRE subject tests. Some graduate programs require those subject GRE exams in addition to the general GRE test. The GRE subject tests are in 6 areas: in biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, psychology, and English literature. Those 6 GRE subject exams are designed to test disciplinary knowledge in those mentioned areas, to select the best candidates possible. On the other hand, they test the undergraduate level of the specific subject knowledge, to select the best candidate for advanced specialized graduate programs. This is possible due to the demand for qualified and smart scientists. Thus, there are many applicants wishing to enter top college science programs and representing a large pool of qualified candidates. Top colleges can choose from many. The point is that you often should prepare for both these types, general GRE and subject-specific GRE, to get into top science graduate programs. You can see GRE test resources and links in the description of this video below. See you in the next video.